Hello dear students, okay, we are going to talk about lesson number 11, the past tense. Though we speak in the past tense, okay, we speak in present tense and in future as well. We have already all learned about what past tense is. Still we are going to see today. We know that the simple past tense talks about an action that took place in the past and is complete. It also expresses an habitual action in the past. This tense uses the past form of the verb with all subjects. So let me tell you, okay, what does this past tense means? Yes, I already told you. Again, okay, I'm going to tell you the same thing, maybe in different words. So it says, past tense talks about an action that took place in the past and is complete. So there is nothing to do in the present. Okay, the work which has or which got completed in the past. So for these kind of things, or to speak all these things, okay, we use the past tense. We can see the use, okay, uses the past form of the verb in singular or plural. The other side we can see there, we have here what to say the past continuous tense as well. But let's see only the past tense. Rocky danced gracefully. My parents went for a walk every evening. We have similar other examples like, as a child I attended carrot classes. Charu swam in the pool. So these are all okay spoken in the past tense. So dear students, okay, along with the past tense we are going to see the past continuous tense as well. So what are past continuous tense, or when do we use it? We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was happening at some point or for a period of time in the past. So let me repeat once more. Talks about an action that was happening at some point for a period of time in the past. So what do we use here? We see uses are was oblique were plus the ing form of the verb. So this is what is used, and we can see the examples there. I was eating my lunch early. Tara was traveling by train yesterday. So these are few examples or some explanations given in the book. Hope okay, all these are understood, okay? So you need to learn when the past and past continuous tense are being used. So the uses, okay, is much more important. So only when this, what to say, the usage are known to us, when we know them, when we are able to remember at any time, only then we will be able to speak correctly. So now we are going to talk about the second thing. Okay, make a chart of the past and the past continuous tense. Please make a chart of both past tense and past continuous. As you all remember, like you write in the first column, okay, person, then you have singular, and plural. So when I write it in the first person singular, I went. Then first person plural, we went. Then second person, right, okay, you went. Second person plural, you went. Third person singular, he, she, it, went. And third person we have they went. So this chart I want that you write in the copy and learn them properly in order to avoid making mistakes. Otherwise, okay, sometimes we say, okay, I gone. So that is absolutely correct, wrong. You might be saying, okay, you might be thinking, okay, whatever that you speak is correct, but then okay, that is absolutely wrong. So we must know the chart of the past tense. Let's see the other one. Past continuous tense. So I was going, then we were going, you were going, they were going, we were going, and then there he, she, it was going, they were going. So remember this chart and write down in the topic. And the rules also, okay, rules means what is the rules that we write, okay, here, what is the rules, right? The first we have the subject, okay, subject plus we have was oblique were, okay, then plus we have the main, okay, ing form of the main verb, we can write ing form of the main verb, okay, MV stands for main verb. So this is what we should remember when we talk about the past continuous tense. So dear students, okay, I ask you to learn all this chart. So okay, if you do this, there can be, okay, less mistakes in your writing. Let us now move on to the exercises now. We have here at page number 70, page number 69. Question number A, complete these passages using the past forms of the verbs. So question number A, what do we have to use? We have to use the past tense of the verb in the bracket. So number 1, Arna, dash within the bracket, the verb is there, draw the portrait of an old man, the portrait of an old man. So here we have to use the past tense of the verb draw. It will be drew. So Anna drew. Next one we have, okay, there we can see, as you can see over here, you have to number the sentences. Like the first sentence first and the second one you can put number 2 as well, like C dash. Then observe the man who stood near the near her and drank. So write down all the past tense of the verb given within the bracket. So see, observe. So keep writing this way. So question number A, 1 and 2 is there. So please, okay, those 2 questions you have to write them in the copy. Next one, fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense of the verb. Here also you can see here that the word is given there within the bracket. You need to write the past continuous tense of the verb. Like the first one is there, question number B, Mahi dash a book when the lights went out. When the lights went out. Within bracket there is a verb, okay, read. So Mahi was reading. Mahi was reading a book when the lights went out. So this way, please write down question number 2, 3, 4, okay, and up to question number 8, okay. So A and B, you are going to write in the copy. Hope I have made it clear to you. If you have any kind of clarifications, you may ask. Thank you.